There. Okay. Right. So this is a prototype. No, this is not the final or exact copy. Um, pero most of the information is same lang din naman. So as you can see here, part lang din po nung mga makikita nyo later on sa actual review agreement is the definition of the participant and the term of the review. So nakalagay na din naman dyan, no? The agreement itself will be valid for 30 calendar days, but meaning yung agreement lang, it will expire within 30 calendar days if hindi nyo pa siya na-sign or hindi pa kayo enroll, no? But the entire agreement will take effect in 6 months. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, na 6 months yung validity ng mismong agreement or the entire review program. Now, ayan, naka-indicate din po dyan kung sino yung participant. So, those who only confirm their participation, they have fully settled the review fee, and then they have submitted the proof of payment with a signed agreement, and those are the considered enrollees or valid, no, and confirmed participant of the review. Now, these are the services provided. Nasabi ko na po yan kanina. Ito na lang din po, I just like to highlight the non-disclosure or confidential information. So as mentioned here, you will be given confidential or access to confidential and proprietary information belonging to the review provider. So this includes the review materials, the courses, everything, no, all the information that you will be exposed to in this review. So with that, we agree to not disclose, distribute, or reproduce, copy, sell, disseminate any of this information or materials. And then, hindi din po tayo pwedeng mag-record, mag-screenshot, mag-film about these materials or any information at all. No, so basically, whatever we will be discussing, whatever information that you will be exposed to in this review, bawal po natin siyang i-share, no, even to our friends, our family members, anyone who is not part of this review program. So kung sino lang po talaga yung student, sila lang dapat yung may access dun sa mga review materials and information natin. And then sa student responsibilities naman po, the student agrees to comply with all the policies. The student shall attend the scheduled sessions punctually and actively. The student is responsible. No? So just in case hindi maka-attend ng review, nag-schedule, hindi may biglang emergency, nagbago ang schedule, so hindi naka-attend. So responsible po ang student to reschedule or to inform the coach, no, about rescheduling and kung paano yung gagawin dun sa missed topic or discussion. Again, meron po tayong kung available naman na yung coach, pwedeng i-reschedule yung live session, but there is also an option to opt for an asynchronous or recorded session of the lecture. The student agrees to submit a copy of their PTE account and the exam results details. So ito naman po for our own data management lang din kasi syempre tinitingnan din namin our review still effective or kailangan na ba siyang i-improve. So that's only possible for us to find out no, through the results of your exam. So kaya kailangan po namin ng copy ng results. But syempre yung original copy sa inyo po yan. And then sa ano nyo naman yan sa own PTE account nyo naman yan ma-receive, no? So talagang kayo ang magkakaroon ng copy niyan. And then the student, no, automatically provides consent for the review provider to use their exam results for marketing purposes. So kasi minsan po nagpo-post kami na syempre ng parang mga results, no, nung ano namin ng mga student, but syempre itatago naman po natin yung mga unnecessary namang details, no, na ilabas. So yun po, I think ang pinaka-importante lang naman dito yung mismong score ninyo. And then the student agrees that their images, scores, or achievements as a participant in the review program may be used by the review provider for marketing and promotional. So, kagaya nga po na nasabi ko kanina. What else? Ito din po, no, to maintain professionalism and proper conduct to the review program. So, in case mayroon pong mga reklamo, concerns, or there are negative feedbacks, don't worry, we are very much open to that. Pero syempre, let's make sure na professionally po natin siya i-communicate, professionally natin pag-usapan at i-handle. And then, student acknowledges that the regular and independent practice is essential for exam. So ito po I'd like to highlight kasi nga po there are some students na akala nila basta umattend lang ng lecture, okay na. No, sometimes they don't do the practice regularly and frequently. So again, very important po yung practice and stated dito na naiintindihan dapat natin siya and responsible dapat yung student in practicing regularly. Limitation of liability, something to highlight here po is that ito po, no, in attending and signing up in the review, participating in the review, it's not a guarantee po na kayo ay papasa. No? And I think no review center in the world could assure you that. Kasi wala naman po sila sa actual exam kapag nag-exam na kayo. No, hindi naman po sila yung mag-check ng inyong score or ng exam nyo. It will be PTE. So, there is no way to 100% assure. Kaya namin to nilalagay. And as I mentioned, there are really some cases na out of control na namin na kahit nag-review tayo, nag-prepare tayo ng maigi, sa mock exam natin, mataas yung score. May mga cases pa rin talaga na dahil kinabahan and other factors on the actual exam, iba yung nagiging result. But those are very rare cases. Most of the time, and I would say 99% no of the students na nagre-review sa atin, basta nag-review naman, nag-dedicated naman at talagang nag-practice, they passed the exam on their first try. Ayun po. And then ito lang po, no, in cases of termination due to serious breach of this agreement, so the student shall not be entitled to any refund. However, if the termination is due to unforeseen circumstances beyond the student's control, such as medical emergency, a refund request may be reviewed on a case-to-case basis. And then, review fee and refund fee policy. So, the review fee for the program is this amount. But again, this will be different. No? Marireceive nyo naman po sa review agreement nyo. But this will be different for non-signed up client yet. And it's strictly non-refundable and non-transferable except as provided under the previous section that I read. And then, the payment shall be made exclusively through bank deposit. So, ito lang po yung bank natin. Of course, pwede siyang GCash to to the bank transfer through GCash, pwede naman. So, basta dito po sa bank na to, mata-transfer. And then, again, the student must submit a copy of their deposit and it must include the amount, date, and reference number as proof of payment. And then, mention na din po dito yung mga nasabi kong additional admission requirements natin. Okay, so I think those are the things that I need to highlight with this. But, ayun nga po, I'll be giving you a form to fill out para makakuha kayo ng sariling copy nyo na talagang intended for you for the review agreement. And then I really advise you to still read it word per word, read it clause by clause. If possible na permahan per clause, mas maganda para lang talagang na-assure tayo na nabasa per clause at naintindihan. And then once it's signed, then yan, our enrollment team naman po no will handle yung collection ng mga other materials or requirements no for enrollment. Okay? So do you have any other questions po or clear naman po at na-discuss naman so far lahat?
Hello sir, si Brent na po pala to.
Sige sir. Yes sir.
Okay naman po sir na naiintindihan ko naman po lahat yung diniscuss niyo.
Okay sir. Sige sir, no, again mag-send din naman ako ng recording no nito and then you can rewatch yung mga hindi nyo naabutan But if you have any other questions, just send me an email or message me, text me. I think meron nyo na din po akong number and messenger account. And then, yun po, update na lang po tayo na once na na-fill out nyo na po yung mga form na isi-send ko after this. So, expect na lang po a communication from our enrollment team.
Okay po, sige po, sir.
Sige, thank you sir, and thank you for your time. At
Thank
ingat
you
po
very
kayo.
much po. Thank you very much.
Thank you.